Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do your love bite now. Libra, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you, so take what works for you and just leave the rest. So my angel spirit guides, what do you have for my Libra? Please bless this reading for my Libra gang and send them the messages or advice they need the most at this time. Thank you. So Libra, as always, we're going to start with an angel blessing card and see how my angels are going to bless you, what advice or guidance or message there is for you, and then we'll start your reading. So my angels, a blessing, guidance or advice card for my Libra gang, please. Okay, this one, thank you. Let's put the rest back, Libra. So the card I have for you, Libra, is retreat. You need to take a step back to maybe think about things, maybe go for a little vacation, or Leo got this as well, by the way. So it's time now to take a step back and maybe see the larger picture. You maybe have been really busy or overthinking things. So step back and kind of retreat for a while. And just as I said that, I think you need to get some balance back in your life, Libra. I just saw on my clock a 222 for you. Okay, so this is your card, the card of balance, right? The number 2 is trying to get back into your balance. So maybe for that you need to take a step back to see or heal yourself. So let's put this card here and see why this card is here for you, Libra. Welcome back on all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being a part of the family. I'm so obliged and so grateful and really happy to have you all here today. And if you're new here, we welcome you to, oh my God, newbies. I welcome you into our family. Do subscribe and join our channel. We all welcome you in, okay? Why I'm stuttering a little bit is because of the way this card flipped out and what it is. It's a 7 of Swords. So have you been dealing, Libra, with some cheating, lying behavior? Okay? This is not one of my favorite cards and it kind of shakes me up when I see this one and the 5 of Swords. So I'm going to keep this here, Libra, and see why this card is here for you today. And how, if it's going to resonate with the rest of our reading. So let's begin. Libra, if any of you need a private reading, you can reach me at my email. It's in the description box below. Meanwhile, let's enjoy this reading. This is a small little mini love bite, 9-card spread to check your energy and see if there's any important message that needs to come through for you today. King of Pentacles, bottom of my deck. Now, this is one of my favorite cards. I like this guy a lot. Okay, this is the person who's got their life in order. It's all balanced. They have their money, wealth in order. This is the kind of person you marry, right? The spouse, the perfect spouse. They are caring, they're nurturing, they're loving, and 8 of Cups is your first card. Knight of Wands and the 7 of Wands. The Devil, the Star, the 2 of Cups, the Moon, 3 of Wands and the Queen of Cups. All right. Somebody here wants to return back to something. Somebody has a lot of passion here, somebody has a lot of drive and they really want to return back to a certain place in their life or a person in their life who they have a lot of passion for. They want to actually just charge, okay? They want to now drop it. They want to drop their barriers or they want somebody else to drop their barriers so that this passion can be experienced and they can return back to the feeling of life is good. I can achieve anything I want. Somebody is hoping and wishing to release anything that didn't work out in the past. This could be an old fear. This could be an addiction. This could be, worry or anything. But right now, because they're not feeling their wishes are coming true and they're feeling a little bit of lack of love here as well, because everything is dark. The moon energy is here, which means there is no clarity as to how one can move ahead now. So, Spirit, the Eight of Cups again, please. Somebody is very, very broken hearted here. Some hearts were broken here in the past, I think. Maybe somebody returned back to your life, Libra, and it ended up in a broken heart because the other person maybe was a bit self-centered, or maybe they wanted to remain single and be footloose, fancy free. This person kind of showed themselves as a player, where maybe in essence they were actually this. They were the King of Pentacles, but somebody here wanted to control the relationship here with the Emperor in reverse. Yes, there was a lot of passion, there was a lot of attraction here, but somebody wanted to, I think, control the way the situation would go, and they ended up behaving like a player or being immature in that relationship, which broke a lot of hearts here. Now this person has a lot of regrets and a lot of sadness for the way they have come across or with the way they have behaved. Now I think whoever this King of Wands is, who tried to be or pretend to be a Knight of Wands, has a broken heart for themselves as well, I think, because now here they are grieving over the way things really didn't work out. Now I think they are wanting to go back to their partner, have a balanced, equal, give and take kind of a relationship, and they want their partner to drop any kind of barriers that have come between the two of you. So, Seven of Wands, Spirit. Ace of Wands in reverse. Yes, things have really kind of cooled off between the two of you, Libra, it seems. Nobody is fighting for this connection. The guards being put up now. You guys are really not on the same page, even though somebody is hoping and wishing that this toxicity can be removed from their life. Not having the words though. I think I have normally a King of Swords in reverse is a person who is rude and mean and terrible. I don't like the King of Swords in reverse. But in this case, I think even though somebody here is really wanting to get better and be a better person and heal the situation between the two people who have now got broken hearts, this person doesn't have the words. They don't have the clarity. They don't have the know-how as to how they can move ahead and what they can say. So right now, what's the Star in reverse then, Spirit? What's the Star in reverse? They are missing their happy place. They're missing the person who actually was the right direction. Now this is in reverse. Now because this masculine here doesn't have clarity and or the words to kind of heal the situation, all they can do is wish and hope for a rebirth of this connection. And I think this person is praying very hard. They're manifesting, they're praying, they're hoping that whatever was lost here with the Two of Cups in reverse can somehow magically is the word, kind of have a rebirth. They're wishing and hoping they can return back to the way things were, or maybe magically, they should be forgiven, or things should just fall on their lap basically, because they are very unclear. They don't have, this person is very, very emotionally upset, emotionally clouded in their brain. All they can do is wait and manifest and hope and wish that their partner, who is their partner, the love of their life, the Queen of Cups, the loving, nurturing, caring person, would one day suddenly kind of appear back in their life. So that's what's going on. Why is the Two of Cups in reverse? Yes, the Two of Cups is in reverse because of the same behavior which came out earlier as well, right? This person was either very emotionally immature, the masculine here was emotionally immature, maybe played around, maybe had third parties. Whatever this person did or pretended to be ended up breaking both your hearts here. Okay, now this love is kind of a thing of the past, it seems. This Two of Cups, this could have been a beautiful soulmate connection, because of one person's behavior, somebody's taken a step back, retreated from this connection and not giving to this connection anymore. So what's this Moon card, Spirit? What are these secrets? What are these secrets being kept? What are these secrets being kept here? Somebody is now in their mind, I think, quite clear that yes, justice was not brought. Libra, here's your card again. Justice was not done in the situation, and the secret is that this person is actually very, very clear, okay, that the person who's left them now was the one that they considered their equal match. This is the one they wanted to marry or be together for a very long time. Now, this is still a secret. I don't think it's been revealed yet because this person doesn't know what step to take. They're just waiting and watching if this love can ever come back to them. So, before that, they are waiting for the other person to make a move and keeping all this a secret. So, Three of Wands, Spirit, what is this person waiting for? They're waiting for some clarity. Yes, they're waiting for some clarity that there is some hope for a reunion. Okay, maybe you guys are not in touch right now, Libra, and maybe this person doesn't know where their partner is or who they are with, or is there any love left in the situation. They're seeking clarity at the moment. They are praying, they're manifesting, they're hoping and wishing, but all this while not really making a move externally in the 3D. Okay, they are waiting and hoping and keeping all this deep within their heart. They are totally clear about what they want now, but they don't know now the partner who's left them. They don't know how the other partner feels. So this person is waiting from some kind of clarity, a message, and some news. If they could be stalking them as well, asking friends and family or social media to see if this person is still available. And till they don't get clarity, they don't know how a reconciliation is possible. So, Queen of Cups, Spirit, Queen of Cups. They desperately are waiting, I think. This person is waiting for a message or some news or heart of hearts. Maybe they want to send a message. But right now, I think the masculine is feeling totally abandoned now by their partner, left out in the cold. And they are feeling worse because now they see the same Queen of Cups who was, the sweet, innocent, loving partner who they hurt very badly, as now kind of is totally glowed up. Now this could be an Aries Libra that you're dealing with, but this is a person who is shining. Okay, this is a person who's the go-getting queen, who's a person who everybody wants. So maybe now the masculine has realized that it'll be a little difficult to approach them or send them a message because this person is highly wanted. Okay, this is a very attractive queen. Yes, not only were they loving and sweet, but they are also now the center of attraction and attention from a lot of people. That's what is halting this message from going through. So till this clarity is not reached to the masculine as to whether it's possible to have a reunion, I think they're just waiting, hoping and wishing that a magical transformation can happen where there can be a rebirth of this connection. Right now the masculine is feeling totally powerless. They don't know what to do. Okay, so yes, I think the masculine is taking a retreat after some cheating, lying behavior has totally backfired on them. And the feminine, of course, is gone. So let's see what will happen. Will this manifestation fructify, or will there be a need to actually send a message and find out the truth? So that's all I have for you. Love and light. Take care. Namaste, Libra.